Are you a student in mechanical engineering looking to enhance your skills in software development using CAD automation and programming? Do you want to gain hands on experience and define your career that suits to the software industry for mechanical engineering applications? Our Make Software Savvy internship program is designed for you. This 4-week intensive program covers CAD fundamentals, programming basics, and also advanced CAD software and automation techniques. You will receive mentorship from industry experts and you will get a chance to work on real world project. This can help you build your portfolio, also gain practical experience. This program is perfect for gaining hands-on in software development and programming area. Also develop problem-solving skills, build portfolio of real-world project, and receive career guidance and support. By completing our internship program, you can get clarity on how you can land to a job role that suits your intention and also that suits your skill set. You'll get an opportunity to learn about several job roles that you can perform as a mechanical engineer in a software industry. So, why are you waiting for? Join our upcoming webinar to learn more about Make Software Savvy internship program and how it can benefit your career. Register now and take the first step towards launching your career definition in software development. Don't miss out this opportunity. Register for the webinar now and get ready to launch your career in mechanical engineering and software development.